People who had never been active in politics told their stories at town hall meetings, flooded the congressional switchboard with calls speaking out for affordable health care. These were not only activists and advocates, they were people who had something to say and were determined to be heard. Yes, some were new to the fight, and other leaders, like Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi, have been on the front lines for years. And when this disastrous bill failed, it was a victory for all Americans. Just look at all that's happened in the last few days to women who were simply doing their jobs. April Ryan, a respected journalist with unrivaled integrity, was doing her job just this afternoon in the White House press room when she was patronized and cut off trying to ask a question. Recently, photos have been making the rounds on social media showing groups of men in Washington making decisions about women's health. Decisions to strip away coverage for pregnancy and maternity care, or limit access to reproductive health care around the globe. We shake our heads and think, how could they not have invited any women to the table? Well, a provocative opinion piece in the New York Times this week argues that it may not be an oversight at all, but an intentional signal. Don't worry, the men are in charge of everything. But let me let you in on a little secret. The other side never quits. Sooner or later, they'll try again. We will need to fight back twice as hard, not for the sake of politics, but because these are bad policies that will hurt people and take our country in the wrong direction.